Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enter BIOS on Asus ROG STRIX motherboard. To do this, first you will need to power off your PC entirely. Then start powering it back on, and when it powers on you need to either press on the delete button, just keep rapidly clicking on it. There's also F2 button that may work when you try to reach the BIOS. And finally, if both of them doesn't work and there's some kind of the BIOS error, just click on F1 to run the setup. So now let's start powering on our PC, and we're gonna press on those buttons, all of them actually. And here's our BIOS. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.